class with welcome song. All right, chalo, let's start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, like you all. Now we'll sing fruit salad together. Come on. And I want everyone to sing. मैम सबको देख रही हैं, ठीक है? स्टार्ट करें? स्टार्ट. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. After fruits, what comes after fruits? Vegetables. Yes, any want to say? Yes, any bolo, unmute. Unmute and say. Any? You are raising your hand now. Unmute yourself and say. Yes. Vegetables. Okay, very nice. So what comes after fruits? Vegetables. Let's start. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. ऑल राइट बच्चों, अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम क्या करेंगे? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सिंग? सोचो, थिंक व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू नाउ. थिंक 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 थिंक. यस, वी आर गोइंग टू सिंग नेशनल एंथम. कृष्णा तो खड़ा भी हो गया. वेरी गुड कृष्णा. चलो एवरीवन स्टैंड अप. Elena, you too. Annie, Roseanne, Dishan, stand up, beta. Adya, aa jao jaldi, come on. All right. So, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now, no one is going to move. Start. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharati Bhagya Vidhata. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He. जय हिंद। कृष्णा, आप क्या कर रहे थे नेशनल एंथम में? व्हाट यू आर डूइंग? चलो नाउ किड्स अगेन यू हैव टू स्टैंड। अब हम क्या करेंगे? आप भूल गए एक्सरसाइजेस? चलो कम ऑन, स्टैंड अप। विल डू द एक्सरसाइजेस नाउ। स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स एंड क्लैप, स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स एंड क्लैप। पहले हम स्लोली करेंगे। क्लैप, stretch your arms and clap. Come on, clap now fast. Clap, clap. Vinay, I'm looking at you. Now wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Now fast. Chalo jaldi, jaldi. Fast, 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 fast. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ आपके कमर पे रखो. Start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Now we have to move our waist. Come on, come on, rotate. Round, round. We have to move our waist. Round. All right. Now, bachcho, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Okay, again. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Come on. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Very good. Now one more time we'll do. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Now at the end, what we have to do? Run. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Fast, 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 fast. Tushant. Come on. Yay. Well done. Sit down now. Sit down. Very, very well done. Chalo, let's start the class. So first of all, let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the day is Thursday. Today, the day is Thursday. What is the day today? Today is Thursday. And the date is 14 October 2021. 14 October 2021. Okay. Now, kids, let's talk about the days of the week. So how many days are there in a week? एक week में कितने days होते हैं? ये, there are 7 days in a week. 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Yes, Elena, just a minute. We'll revise the letters. A. Which letter is this? This is letter A. A apple. A apple. Then B. B ball. After B, C. C cat. Then after C, D. D doll. D dog. Now, E. Elephant. What is the sound of E? Elephant. Then after E, F. Come on, everyone, say the phonic sound. F fish. Then G. Giga, gun. Giga, gun. Then H. H, ha, hat. Then, just a minute. I. What comes after H? I. What is the sound of I? I says E. And sometimes I. Ice cream. I-E, insect. Then after I, J. Jeja, joker. Repeat karo bachcho. Repeat after ma'am. Then K. K ka, kite. After K, L. Ella, lion. Then Emma, monkey. After M, N. Anna, nose. Now what comes after N? O. O, orange. O, owl. Then after O, P. Peepa, parrot. Peepa, pen. Pigeon. Then what comes after P? Q. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Then R. R, rabbit. R, rose. Now, what comes after R? What comes after R? Letter S. Which letter is this? This is letter S. S, sun. The sound of S is saw. The sound of S is saw. S, sun. S, snake. S, sandwich. Which letter is this? This is letter S. Which letter is this? This is the letter S. S is saw. The sound of S is saw. S, sun. S, snake. S, sandwich. So let's see how to write letter S. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how to write letter S. 3 dots are there. Everyone pay attention. 3 dots are there. So you have to start from the upper dot, which is in blue line, and make one C. एक C बनाओ second dot तक. First of all, you have to make one C and then one inverted C like this. Makes letter S. आपको dot पर end नहीं करना है नीचे, आगे लाना है. ठीक है, like this. S. Understood? You have to make one C and one inverted C. Letter S. Make one C and one inverted C. Letter S. Okay. Look, mothers, you also pay attention. 3 dots are given in a line. एक लाइन में 3 dots दे रखे हैं. So the child have to start from here. First dot. Make a C to the second dot. C बनाया. Then we have to make one inverted C. But हमें dot पर end नहीं करना है. हमको आगे तक लाना है like this. Proper inverted C you have to make. ठीक है? One C and one inverted C makes letter S. Look, जिस तरह से हम 8 में बनाते हैं, for making 8, in the same way you have to make letter S. So बच्चों, which letter is this? This is letter S. This is letter S. S says sa, S says sa, S a sun, S a snake, S a sandwich. Yeah. Acha, now tell me, what is traffic light? So I am going to show you. The title of the rhyme is traffic light. So traffic light क्या होती है? I'll show you. Traffic light. Look, can you see? It is a traffic light. It's a traffic light. Traffic light कहाँ होती है? Roads पर, corners पे लगी होती हैं. It is on the corner of the road. ठीक है? अब देखो, how many lights you can see in the traffic light? कितनी lights आपको दिख रही हैं? Come on, tell me. There are how many lights? Count. Count करो. There are 3 lights. Can you see? 3 lights are there. Red, yellow, green. 3 lights are there in a traffic light. Red, yellow, green. Okay. अब ये lights क्यों होती हैं? ऐसे ही हैं ये lights? No. There's some purpose beside all the lights. Look. अब जैसे आपने देखा है, आप कभी घर से बाहर निकलते हो, whenever you step out of your house, हम देखते हैं ना कि बहुत सारी गाड़ियां निकल रही हैं, स्कूटर्स हैं, कार्स हैं, एवरीथिंग. तो इन ऑर्डर टू मैनेज देम, उन लोगों को मैनेज करने के लिए, ताकि वो ट्रैफिक ना हो, वहां पर भीड़ ना लगे, उनको मैनेज करने के लिए कार्स को, बाइक्स को, साइकिल्स को, एवरीथिंग. सो ट्रैफिक लाइट का यूज किया जाता है. ठीक है? यहाँ पर रेड लाइट का मतलब होता है व्हेन द रेड लाइट स्टार्ट्स. जब रेड लाइट स्टार्ट होती है, ब्लिंक करती है, तो उसका मतलब होता है स्टॉप. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इट? स्टॉप. रेड लाइट जब स्टार्ट हो, उसका मतलब स्टॉप. दैट मीन्स अब आपको रुक जाना है. आप अगर कोई कार में जा रहे हो, बाइक में जा रहे हो, और अगर रेड लाइट जल जाए ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पर, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू स्टॉप. आपको वहीं रुक जाना है. ओके. देन सेकेंड लाइट, येलो. ये द मीनिंग ऑफ येलो लाइट इज यू हैव टू ड्राइव स्लोली. आपको स्लोली चलाना है. ठीक है? आपको स्लोली चलाना है. यू हैव टू ड्राइव स्लोली. धीरे धीरे चलाना है. एंड द लास्ट लाइट, गो, ग्रीन कलर. When the green color light starts, when the green color light blinks, जब green color की light जलती है, that means you have to go. मतलब अब आप जा सकते हो. ठीक है? Red light means stop, green light means go, and yellow light means drive very slow. Understood? ठीक है ना? अब कभी भी आप पापा के साथ, मम्मा के साथ बाहर जाओ, एंड व्हेन यू सी अ ट्रैफिक सिग्नल ओवर देयर, अगर आपको वहां पर ट्रैफिक सिग्नल दिखता है, तो अगर रेड लाइट स्टार्ट होती है, दैट मीन्स आपको रुक जाना है. यू हैव टू स्टॉप. अगर ग्रीन लाइट स्टार्ट होती है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू गो. अब चले जाओ. एंड अगर येलो लाइट जलती है, दैट मीन्स आपको स्पीड को कम कर लेना है. आपको स्लोली ड्राइव करना है. ऑल राइट. So that is a traffic signal and it is used to manage the traffic. Chalo. Now the title of our rhyme is traffic light. Come on everyone, let's stand. Stand up for the rhyme. Stand up. Let's start. Start करें? चलो. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. बोलो. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. On the corner shining bright. Red means stop. Green means go. Yellow means drive very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. On the corner shining bright. Very good. Chalo, one more time. Start. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. On the corner shining bright. Red means stop. Green means go. And yellow means drive very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. On the corner shining bright. चलो, we'll do it one more time. One more time अब हम लोग करेंगे. ठीक है? अब I want energy. Come on. Divija, you also stand. Start. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. On the corner shining bright. Red means stop. Yellow, green means go. And yellow means drive very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. On the corner shining bright. All right, very good kids. Now sit down. Sit down. Sit everyone. Ma'am, wait a minute. Everyone, am I audible to you? Am I audible? Kindly show your thumbs. Okay. So Vivan's mother, there's something. Okay, now you can hear me? All right. Okay. All right, bachcho. Now let's revise the numbers. Okay? The meeting is about to get over, but before that, we'll revise the number. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Everyone, look here and kindly say the numbers along with ma'am. ठीक है बच्चों? चलो, start. 1. Which number is this? This is number 1. Then after 1, 2. Which number is this? This is number 2. Okay. Now after 2, 3. Number 3. Then after 3, 4. 4. This is number 4. After 4, 5. Which number is this? This is number 5. Then after 5, 6. 6. Which number is this? This is number 6. 6. Then after 6, 7. Which number is this? This is number 7. Now, after 7, 8. This is number 8. After 8, 9. And 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Which number is this? 12. Then after 12, 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. Then 1, 5, 15. After 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. And 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Okay, bachcho. Now take a screen break. We'll start the class after 10 minutes. Okay? Go drink some water. Wash your eyes.